What's up, YouTube? How's it going? My hair's getting long, right? I figured since I'm losing it, I might as well grow it out while I have it. Anyways, here we have from Swag Performance and Off-Road. Mind you, it's almost the same thing, just not quite as pretty as the S&B turbo mouthpiece, but we have the S&B, we have the generic one here at less than half the price. And my understanding is it does the same thing. There we have the turbo mouthpiece, Lly Duramax. I mean, just look how less restrictive that is. I don't have the factory one on hand because I didn't take it apart yet, but I'll do a comparison with the factory piece to this one when I'm actually doing the install. But there you have the Swag Off-Road Performance Turbo Mouthpiece for Duramax Lly. I know there's a million videos, well, not a million, but there's plenty of other videos of people doing the same thing. Well, this is my video of me doing it, so I mean, I can just tell that that's gonna wake things up a bit. I already opened it. Came with the turbo mouthpiece, the plug for where the PCV would go, which I'm rerouting. Came with one zip tie. I'm not really sure why I would need that, but, and that's my Allen wrench. I mean, this thing is so much more open than the factory one. And it's just going to be so much more airflow. Alright, I'm out.